In the process of recombinant DNA technology, following the isolation of DNA, the next step that comes is the cutting of DNA at specific location. As said earlier, that in order to cut DNA, various restriction enzymes are used, which can be restricted only to a specific sequence of the DNA. Therefore, to do this, the DNA sequence from the donor cell is identified and removed with the help of restriction enzyme. As said earlier, that on cutting, these restriction enzymes create sticky ends of DNA. Since during the process of recombinant DNA technology, the DNA that is cutted by the restriction enzyme generally cuts in an asymmetrical manner, producing the sticky ends of DNA. With the help of these fragments, the DNA is able to create a complementary sticky end that is parallel to each other. That is, two different double-stranded DNA molecules by cutting produces complementary sticky ends. However, further these sticky ends of two different created DNA can be joined by DNA ligase. This figure depicts the cutting of DNA at specific location. As it can be seen from the figure, two different double-stranded DNA molecules are cutted with the help of restriction enzyme. Here it is E. coli, so E. coli 1, which produces sticky ends of two different DNA fragments, since it is cutted in an asymmetrical manner. These two different sticky ends of two double-stranded DNA molecules are further joined with the help of DNA ligase by undergoing ligation to form a new recombinant DNA molecule. However, these fragments of DNA can be separated with the help of method called agarose gel electrophoresis. In this method, the DNA being negatively charged that is, this negative charge is mainly due to the presence of phosphate groups within DNA, is placed in a semi-solid gel through which an electric current is applied or electric current is passed. Which thereby results into the formation of an electric field that is applied to DNA molecules, as a result of which they migrate and moves towards the positive pole. that is towards the opposite side, as a result of which the fragments get separated.